Good morning, dear children. Dear children, here we start here exercise 12.4 of class 8 maths. So, dear children, first question is: a basket of apple was bought for rupees 478 and later sold at a profit of rupees 57. What was the selling price of the basket of apple? These word problems are just like a word problem, just like a question exercise 12.3. Okay, here we find here the selling price, cost price is given here, and profit is given here. So what is the selling price? So dear children, cost price of apple is 478, profit of apple equal rupees 57. What is selling price? So selling price equal cost price plus profit equal selling price, because here the when we sold apple, then what we find here? Profit. हम क्या पाए हैं? Profit पाए हैं. So selling price is more than, your selling price should be more than cost price. So cost price plus profit equal rupees 535. Next means selling price of the basket of apple is rupees 535. Okay. Now question number 2. A desktop bought for rupees 32,000 was sold after 3 years at the loss of 4,979. At what price was it sold? So here we also find here selling price, but cost price is 32,000. But here in the first question, here profit is here and here loss is here. So your means here loss is here, means your selling price is less than cost price. So how we find the selling price less than the cost price? When we subtract cost price minus loss. So selling price of the desktop equal cost price minus loss equal 32,000 minus 4,979 equal rupees 27,021. So write down here. Hence the cost price, hence the selling price of the desktop equal rupees 27,021. Just look at here, dear children. Here this is your selling price and this is your cost price. Okay. So look at here. Selling price is less than cost price. Cost price is greater than selling price. Okay. So when the cost price is greater and selling price is smaller, then so here loss is here. Okay. So now the question number 3. A table was sold rupees. A table was sold for rupees 2,756. The shopkeeper made a profit of rupees 596 on the whole transaction. Okay. What was the cost price of the table? So look at here. Here cost price is given here, and here we find here the selling price. Okay. But and profit and loss both is given here. But here selling price is given here and cost price we find here the cost price. Just like a what exercise 12.3. First question is with profit is given here, we find the selling price. Second question is selling price given, we find the cost price. So same question. So selling price of a table is rupees 2,756. Profit equal rupees 596. So cost price equal means here profit is here. So profit is here means your selling price is more than the cost price. Means selling price is greater than cost price. So if selling price is 2,756, so how we find the selling price greater? So when we subtract the profit to the selling price, then we find the cost price. So selling price minus profit equal this one equal 2160, means cost price of the table is rupees 2160. Please look at here, this is your cost price and this is your selling price. So selling price is greater than cost price, that means so here the profit is here. Okay, so then children, now question number 4. Jatin made a loss of rupees 1475 on selling of a carpet per piece 14,000. What was the cost price of the carpet? So dear children, selling price of a carpet rupees 14,000, loss equal rupees 1475. So cost price equal cost price just like in this question, but here its profit is here, so we subtract here, and here loss is here, so we add here. So cost selling price plus loss equal 14,000 plus 1475 equal 15,475, means यहाँ हमने प्लस क्यों किया? Why we had here? Because the children here loss is here. So जब loss हो रहा है, that's mean your selling price is smaller than the cost price. Means selling price आपकी क्या होगी? कम होगी cost price से. So your cost price should be more than selling price. So how we find more than selling price? When we add loss plus selling price. Okay, so 14,000 plus 1475 equal 15,475. So that means we are right here the cost price of a carpet is rupees 15,475. Okay, now the question number 5. Now, dear children, question number 5 is Geeta bought a double bed for rupees 15,790 and spent rupees 1,250 on its transportation. So on selling it, Geeta incurred a loss of rupees 1,275. Find the selling price of the bed. Means, dear children, look at here, cost price of a bed rupees 15,790 and transportation charge 1,250. Means this is the overhead charge, means extra charge है. Bed की cost ये है एंड एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज जो आपको लाने ले जाने में ट्रांसपोर्ट का चार्ज लगा वो लगा इतना. तो जब आप सेल करेंगे किसी भी बेड को तो आप क्या करेंगे, इस ट्रांसपोर्ट के चार्ज को आप इसमें ऐड करेंगे. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल कि आप कोई भी एक टेबल बनाते हैं, उस टेबल की कॉस्ट आती है सपोज 500, बट इस टेबल वुड की कॉस्ट है 500, बट जो बनाया है कारपेंटर जो बनाया है उसको भी तो आप पैसा स्पेंड करेंगे उसके ऊपर भी. तो जब आप उसको आपने 2 या 300 आपने उसको अमाउंट दिया, तो अब आपकी यदि आप 5 में टेबल की कॉस्ट बनाएंगे तो आप 6 में बेचेंगे 600 में, तो आपको यहाँ तो 100 का फायदा हो रहा है प्रॉफिट, बट यहाँ आपको लॉस हो रहा है. क्यों? क्योंकि आपने टोटल स्पेंड किया है 800 और आपको मिल रहा है 600. इसलिए जब कॉस्ट प्राइस हम बनाते हैं तो जो हमारा टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर आता है इसका और जो टेबल का कारपेंटर का और जो ट्रांसपोर्ट का उन सबको हम कॉस्ट प्राइस में ऐड कर देते हैं. ओके, सो सेम यही क्वेश्चन है कि कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ अ डबल बेड रुपीस 15,790 एंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन चार्ज ऑफ रुपीस 1250 means that means this is the overhead charge. So we write here overhead charge rupees 12,250. So actual cost, CP means cost price. Actual cost price of bed 15,790 plus 12,050 equal rupees 17,040. Means your the cost of a bed, the cost of double bed is rupees 17,040. So then when we sold the bed, the double bed, so we lost here. That means loss equal रुपीस 1275 मीन्स जब हम बेड को सोल्ड करते हैं कॉस्ट प्राइस जो है तो हमें 1275 का हमें लॉस होता है. मीन्स दैट्स मीन हियर हम लॉस हो रहा है. तो व्हाट इज सेलिंग प्राइस, हम कितने में उसको बेचे होंगे, सोल्ड किए होंगे. सो सेलिंग प्राइस इक्वल कॉस्ट प्राइस माइनस loss, because cost price is this and loss is here, so your selling price is less than the cost price. cost price से selling price क्या होगी, कम होगी. तो कम कैसे आएगी, जब हम cost price में loss को subtract करेंगे. so 17,040 minus 1275 equal rupees 15,765. means selling price of double bed is rupees 15,765. okay, so dear children, this exercise 12.4 is completed now. Thank you, have a nice day.